Hello and welcome to Tech24. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Apple iPhone 12 Pro, 128GB, Pacific Blue fully unlocked, renewed. This device is fully unlocked and compatible with any carrier of your choice, making it incredibly versatile for all your communication needs. Whether you're with a TAMT, T-Mobile, Sprint, Verizon, US Cellular, Cricket, Metro, or any other carrier, this phone has got you covered. Now, you may be wondering about the condition of the device. Well, let me assure you that it has been inspected and guaranteed to have minimal cosmetic damage, which is not noticeable when held at arm's length. In addition, it has successfully passed a full diagnostic test, ensuring like new functionality and the removal of any prior user personal information. Battery health has also been thoroughly tested and guaranteed to have a minimum capacity of 80%. And the best part? You can get all these amazing features at a fraction of the cost of a brand new device. This renewed iPhone 12 Pro is not only budget-friendly, but also comes with a charger and charging cable included. The only thing it doesn't come with is headphones or a SIM card, but I'm sure you already have those covered. So why wait? Upgrade to the Apple iPhone 12 Pro, 128GB, Pacific Blue fully unlocked, renewed today, and enjoy all the benefits of a top-of-the-line smartphone at an unbeatable price. Check out the link in the description to get your hands on this amazing device now. Don't miss out on this fantastic deal. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more tech reviews and recommendations.